Microscopes are important tools for biologists because they allow us to see tiny parts of life up close. They're expensive, precision instruments that must be treated with care. When retrieving a microscope from the storage cabinet, use 2 hands to carry it to your workspace, one on the arm and the other under the base. Remove the dust cover and put it in one of the drawers. Use care while working with the microscope. Be sure that the cord does not drape over the edge, and if the oculars or objective lenses need to be cleaned, use only lens cleaning paper. To move the microscope, lift it. Don't drag it or slide it across the workstation. After you're finished viewing the specimen, remove the slide from the stage and return it to the correct slide tray. Turn off the light and unplug the microscope. Carefully wrap the cord. Put the 4x objective in the down position and lower the stage completely. Put the dust cover on the microscope and carry it back to the storage cabinet using 2 hands. Note that each microscope is numbered and that the shelves in the storage cabinet are numbered. Set the microscope in the slot with the corresponding number. The number and the arm should always be facing the cabinet opening. Please use care with the microscopes so that they will be available for future studies.